The spring soiree isn't complete without the refreshments. And today's guest brings 3 oh-so-easy baby or bridal shower treats that will wow your whole crowd. Faulkner Brown, founder of the Sweet Tooth Fairy, is here with all of these ideas. And I have to say, they're not just delicious, your signature. They're fun. They're kind of creative.
Yeah, well, thanks.
I mean, you're Irish. I'm not
Is that
surprised.
a compliment?
No, yes, it was. It was a direct line from your resume.
Oh.
She is the creative queen. But
Well,
I love
you're
that
so
it's
sweet.
what we love and expect in kind of a creative way.
Yeah, well, thank you so much.
First, we're combining 2 things. What is it? Fries and...
Yes, and cookies.
And cookies.
Okay, this is the easiest thing ever of your whole entire life. And it's just a fun, different way to eat your cookies. So what I have here is, well, you're looking at the final product.
That's amazing.
Those are just like double fudge cookies that you cut into little skinny lines and you bake.
How did we do
So
this?
this is just sugar dough. So you can, like, if you're not a baker, you can just buy the dough, you know.
I've done that.
Roll it out, and then you literally just make lines like this.
I mean, of course I'm a baker, but I've done that.
Hey, this is a judgment-free zone. So imagine if I the whole thing, and then you just, however long you want to make them, go like this.
This is genius.
And then
they're portable.
They are portable. It's really just a vehicle for frosting.
Yes,
can we be honest about
Thank
this?
you. I can carry this around, sit it on. I don't have to balance a plate on my lap. I'm just nibbling and dipping on frosting.
So here you can see I have like 3 different things you can dip it in. One's like Nutella, one's a peanut butter kind of moussey situation, one's just vanilla frosting. So you could do jam, you can do like Biscoff or Nutella, just anything you think. Whatever you want to dip your sugar in, more sugar.
Yeah, whatever sugar you want to dip your sugar in.
Yeah, right.
Cookie fries, this is the cutest thing ever.
So easy. I would just say when you're actually baking the dough, you would just want to take it down and not bake it as long as the recommended recipe, just because they're smaller and skinnier, so they'll bake faster.
Yeah, just soak up the heat. Where are you getting these cute little cups?
Oh, at Dollar Tree. If you are of the fancy persuasion, however, you could do little glass jars. But these came from the Dollar Tree in like a set of 6 for $1.25. So,
I love this idea.
Right?
This is so cute.
Cute,
so novel.
huh?
I'm gonna keep chewing.
Yeah.
You keep
you
chopping.
do you, boo.
I will, and I will.
Okay, next we have the very fancy cheesecake in, I would say, jar historically, but these are also little cups that I found at the Dollar Tree.
So cute.
All you're gonna do is take your favorite no-bake cheesecake recipe, and you're just gonna assemble it in one of these cups. So this is just graham crackers, sugar, and butter. I'm using this disher. You know, there's no technical amount that actually needs to go in there. You just press it down.
I'm a more is more crust girl, though.
Yeah,
Crust is the best part.
absolutely. Absolutely. So ideally, you would put this in, let it chill for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes or whatever. Then this is cream cheese and whipped cream. And then you just take a spoon, or, you know, this is a disher.
Yeah.
Fill it up to your desired amount.
I think you call it a disher. I call it a scoop. But I'm going to say disher from now on, in your honor.
That's like the technical
Please pass the
term.
disher.
Yeah.
I love it. I love you.
And then you kind of just like bang it down so it kind of levels out. This is just strawberries mixed with a little bit of, again, sugar.
Sugar.
And then there you go.
As my grandma Jo would say, such a pretty presentation.
Oh, well, and look at this.
Too. Oh, it gets better.
It gets better. This is just sliced strawberry.
Yes.
And you can stick it on like that.
They sit out on the treat table, and suddenly the treat table is dessert for the eyes, too. That's darling.
Yes,
Cheesecake in a cup.
Cheesecake in a Dollar Tree cup.
In a Dollar Tree cup. There is nothing better.
Nothing better. Okay, the other thing is you can obviously just go to a grocery store, to a bakery, to wherever. These are from my bakery, Sweet Tooth Fairy. But if you're pressed for time, or you know,
the dessert part always wins.
Yes, right? Always wins. Get little kind of smaller size treats so people can kind of not feel like they have to commit to just one dessert.
Right. I love how you scattered it too with the suckers as kind of confetti.
Yeah.
Like grab and go, girl.
Yeah, it's totally fun.
So cute.
The other thing, if you remember, when I was here last time, we made popcorn together where we mixed the candy melts, right? And we added things in. Specifically if you're doing like, you know, a baby shower, little play on words with like ready to pop.
Sure.
So I just brought some little popcorn in a cellophane bag. You could use that easily locally as a favor for your guests with a cute
So
little
cute.
tag.
So cute.
You could use the lollipops as a favor, ready to pop.
I love it. So it's not just for the dessert table itself,
Yeah,
but kind of
it
a
could be-
takeaway.
Yeah, exactly.
All
So
right. Love you,
there
sister.
you go. You too.
Do we want to tease that you and I are working on something fun?
Yes, go
Okay.
for it.
We're committed, I think.
We are all in.
Linking arms with our friends at Orson Gigi. More
Yes.
details to come, but if you've ever wanted to, because I know you've sat back and thought, I would love to take a class from her. No one sat back and thought that about me.
No, from us together. From us together.
I don't know how much teaching I'll be doing, but anyway, stay tuned for details on that. That was a big tease that was
Yeah.
really stupid to say out loud
it's
with
okay.
not so many details
Get
to throw out. But
excited.
we are getting excited.
Yes,
so
we are.
All right, where can we find a bakery near us?
Oh, I mean, all the bakeries are
No,
Sweet Tooth Fairy.
Sweet Tooth Fairy. Come
Just go on our
on.
website, and here locally in Utah, there's 4 for you to pick from.
Yeah,
so,
where can
yeah.
we find our local No, we want the
Okay.
Sweet Tooth Fairy
Okay.
caliber of
Very-
treats.
well, thank you.
All right, well, find one near you if you don't already know. I'm a regular, so they know me by name. But get your treats and take inspiration from these treats for your upcoming baby and bridal showers. Megan, thank you so much. You can go to our website for more links and information. Also to review any of the fun sweet treats or healthy dinner ideas. We'll keep it balanced just for the sake of balance. All of those are waiting for you on our website, studio5.ksl.com.